This is Yvette. This is Kofi. And they are the co-founders of Real Men Cook. I'm going to tell you what we're doing. We're making a wonderful orange spice chai. And Yvette is down here zesting an orange, and we're also going to start our chai tea.
Yes.
So if you would start that too.
Okay.
I'm giving you a lot of jobs, honey.
No
All right,
problem.
let me get down here and cut on that eye for you. Now we're going to add 4 cups of water, y'all. 4 sticks of cinnamon. 6, 8, 9 cloves. And then a teaspoon of cardamom. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna cut it off and let it just steep. Now, the great thing about this recipe, y'all can let it steep for 10 minutes or 10 hours. So tell everybody what y'all do out there.
Well, we started on Father's Day with an event called Real Men Cook for Charity.
Love that.
And now it's intensities all over the country. And the whole thing is that children, honor the real man in their lives. So it's just honoring fathers, celebrating families.
That's wonderful. Oh, how are you coming, darling?
Doing great. We got lots of orange zest here.
Okie doke. All right, and our tea has started to boil, so we're gonna just cut that off and let it steep. And we're gonna have a fabulous cup of tea in a little bit. Yep, we need to finish up our orange spice chai. Our spices, y'all, have been steeping in our pot, and now we need to drain and reheat our liquid. So how about one of you zesting that orange for me?
Okay.
And I just need some pretty orange peels. And y'all, I'm gonna use a black tea. And I'm going to use about 4 bags. So there we go. And we're going to throw these into the pot. That's good enough, darling. We just needed 3 or 4.
All right.
This zest smells so good.
And I'm just going to throw that right in the pot. We're just going to steep that. Why don't you measure me out a cup of milk?
Okay.
I'll get the cups.
Okie doke. So I'm gonna pour the milk in. Now I'm not gonna bring this to a boil, but I'm gonna scald it. And our sweetener is gonna be honey. So I'm gonna put 2 or 3 tablespoons. Really, it depends on how sweet you like things. And with me being a Southerner, I kinda like some sweet tea. All right, so this is getting hot. Why don't you, Yvette, plate us up some cookies?
Alrighty.
Now I'm just gonna run this back through the strainer again. And our tea is ready. So there we go.
Wow, it smells wonderful.
Doesn't that smell delicious? Isn't that yummy?
Oh, perfect, perfect.
All right, y'all, help yourself to a cookie.
Oh, and the tea together?
A great compliment.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.